Hey there, with my star-shaped glasses and blue tea, I'm ready to share how AI is making my money management a breeze. First up, budgeting apps. They track my spending habits and suggest budgets automatically. You won't believe how easy it is to stay within my limits while still enjoying life. I mean, who doesn't want to save and spend wisely, right? Exactly. But with automated savings, AI analyzes my income and expenses and moves small amounts into my savings account. I barely notice, but my savings balance has grown significantly. It feels great to watch it grow without stress. Personalized financial advice. AI tools assess my goals and give tailored recommendations. It's like having a personal finance coach in my pocket. So easy. Just that, if you're not using AI in your finances yet, you're missing out. Let's get smart with our money. All right, folks, today we're diving into how AI is changing the game in customer service. It's wild out there, isn't it? First up, AI chatbots. These nifty digital assistants are tackling millions of customer queries in real time. No more waiting on hold for ages. And you know what? It's not just about speed. These chatbots are designed to sound friendly and understanding, almost like chatting with your buddy. Isn't that cool? Plus, the really awesome part, they learn from each conversation. Imagine getting better service every time you reach out. That's a win-win for everyone. So, whether you're running a business or just looking for help, AI and customer service is making things smoother. Everyone deserves a great experience, right? Thanks for hanging out. Don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's chat. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI in music composition. It's something that's really shaking things up in how we think about creating music. So, what exactly is AI music composition? It's when computer algorithms come together to create original music based on inputs we give them, like our mood or favorite genres. It's pretty cool, right? Imagine telling a machine, I feel happy, make me a song. You'd be surprised to know that many artists today are using AI to help enhance their work. From soundtracks for movies to catchy pop anthems, AI tools are making it easier to explore fresh sounds and ideas. It's like having a creative buddy who never runs out of energy. And as we look to the future, the possibilities are endless. Can you imagine a world where AI helps craft the perfect song for every mood or occasion? It's both exciting and a little mind-blowing. Thanks for joining me on this musical adventure. If you found this interesting, smash that like button and subscribe for more fun explorations. AI is reshaping the sports landscape in exciting ways. Imagine a team's training sessions where every movement is tracked and every play is analyzed. That's the power of AI, revolutionizing how teams understand player performance and enhance their strategies. When it comes to analyzing player performance, AI steps in like a personal coach. It gathers heaps of data, tracking everything from shooting accuracy to sprint speed. Coaches can then use this information to make informed decisions about training and game strategies. It's like having a powerful tool that reveals insights previously hidden. Injuries are a huge concern for athletes. Here, AI plays detective, predicting potential injuries by analyzing a player's history and physical data. By catching warning signs early, teams can adjust training programs, helping athletes stay healthier and on the field longer. Lastly, let's talk game strategies. AI can simulate various gameplay scenarios, allowing coaches to test out different tactics without the risk of a real game. This adaptability can be a game changer, keeping teams one step ahead. As we look to the future, it's clear that AI is only going to play a bigger role in how we experience and understand sports. The journey has just begun. Artificial intelligence is shaking up journalism in exciting ways. Imagine a world where AI writes news articles. Well, it's already happening. Some news outlets are using AI to quickly generate articles, saving precious time and resources. It's like having an efficient assistant that never sleeps. But that's not all. AI goes beyond writing. It's fantastic at summarizing huge data sets. Picture struggling to sift through mountains of statistics. AI swoops in to pull out the main points and present them clearly, making complex information super digestible for all of us. Now, let's talk fake news. With misinformation rampant online, AI tools are stepping up to detect and flag shady content. Using advanced algorithms, they help journalists separate fact from fiction, enhancing the credibility of news. Major media outlets like the Associated Press are already on board, using AI to streamline their fact-checking and breaking news coverage. Looking ahead, the future of journalism with AI looks promising. Embracing this technology means better informed audiences and a more reliable press. Exciting times ahead. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is making waves in the world of hiring and recruitment. It's pretty fascinating how it's reshaping how companies find their talent. Many HR teams now rely on AI. AI helps them sift through countless resumes, ranking candidates, and even handling initial interview assessments. This not only speeds up the process, but also makes it more objective by minimizing biases. So how does this work? Essentially, AI scans resumes and looks for keywords, experience, and qualifications that match the job description. It can analyze tons of data much faster than any human could, which is a huge advantage for businesses looking to fill positions swiftly. However, it's not all perfect. We still face challenges with fairness and potential bias in AI systems. If used irresponsibly, these tools can overlook great talent simply due to flawed algorithms. Looking ahead, it's clear AI will play a significant role in shaping the future of recruitment. Let's embrace these advancements, but remember, using AI responsibly is key. We're diving into how AI is reshaping our shopping experiences. It's amazing how technology has made shopping easier and more personalized than ever. So, how does AI figure out exactly what you like? Well, it learns from your browsing history and purchases. Algorithms analyze this data, giving you tailored suggestions that fit your preferences like a glove. Picture this. You're browsing an online store and suddenly you see product recommendations that make you say, "Wow, that's exactly what I need." It's all thanks to AI, saving you time and helping you discover items you might otherwise overlook. Now, let's talk about virtual fitting rooms. Imagine being able to try on clothes virtually. AI makes this possible, allowing you to see how items look on you before you commit. It's like having a fitting room right at home. What's really cool is that AI can even anticipate your needs and preferences, often before you even realize them. Brands are leveraging this capability to enhance your shopping journey. In conclusion, AI is truly transforming the way we shop. So why not embrace these innovations on your next shopping adventure? Happy shopping! In today's fast-paced world, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries. One of the most exciting areas is construction and urban planning, where technology meets creativity. AI plays a crucial role in designing smarter cities. With advanced algorithms, it analyzes vast amounts of data to optimize urban spaces, ensuring resources are used efficiently. This approach not only enhances infrastructure, but also improves the quality of life for residents, making city living much more enjoyable. By simulating building designs, AI allows architects to visualize projects before breaking ground. Picture this: a designer can see how sunlight hits a building at different times of the day, all thanks to AI. These simulations consider environmental factors, materials, and structural integrity, leading to innovative and sustainable designs that are not just functional, but also beautiful. Safety is paramount in construction, and AI tools monitor sites in real time, detecting hazards and ensuring safety compliance. This proactive approach not only minimizes accidents, but creates a safer work environment for everyone. Lastly, AI analyzes traffic patterns to predict future flows, which helps urban planners design efficient transportation systems. This leads to reduced congestion and improved accessibility for all, making daily commutes a breeze. In conclusion, the impact of AI on construction and urban planning is nothing short of remarkable. Embracing this technology truly paves the way for smarter, safer, and more sustainable cities. Today, we're diving into how AI is revolutionizing language learning, making it more engaging and efficient than ever. Let's explore the exciting features of these innovative tools that are changing the game for learners all around the globe. One of the standout features is pronunciation feedback. Imagine using an app that listens to your speech and offers real-time corrections and tips. Picture yourself practicing those tricky sounds while getting instant feedback. It's a game changer, ensuring you master pronunciation with confidence and ease. Next, let's talk about real-time translation. Think about pouring your coffee in a cozy cafe in Paris, and with a quick tap on your phone, your app translates conversations instantly. This feature breaks down language barriers seamlessly, allowing you to connect with locals effortlessly and truly enjoy the experience. AI also tailors lessons to your individual learning style. By analyzing your progress and performance, these smart apps adjust the content and challenges just for you, keeping you motivated and engaged throughout your journey. In conclusion, AI-powered language learning tools are reshaping how we communicate globally, making language acquisition enjoyable and accessible for everyone. Isn't that fantastic? Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we keep an eye on our environment. It's not just something out of sci-fi. AI is actively helping us track pollution, understand climate patterns, and monitor ecosystem changes. Let's dive into how this technology is making a difference. First up is pollution monitoring. With AI, we can analyze data from various sources like sensors and satellites to keep tabs on air and water quality in real time. Imagine a city where pollution spikes are detected instantly, allowing for quick action to protect health and safety. Then there's the analysis of climate patterns. AI gets to work by sifting through enormous amounts of climate data. To spot trends and make predictions. This information is crucial for scientists and governments to adapt and plan for changes in our climate. Let's not forget about monitoring ecosystem changes, like shifts in animal behaviors or plant health. AI processes satellite imagery and sensor data, providing critical insights that steer conservation efforts. In conclusion, the role of AI is indispensable in protecting our planet. By harnessing this technology, we can better address climate change and strive for a sustainable future. Hey there, and thanks for tuning in to the Future Frame AI channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of innovative technologies and ideas. We appreciate you taking the time to watch our videos today. At Future Frame AI, we strive to create a warm and inviting community. We want each of you to feel truly at home here, like part of our family, not just a visitor passing by. Your thoughts and participation make our conversations more meaningful and enjoyable. So let's keep that spirit alive. If you like what you see and want to keep up with all our latest content, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to activate the notification bell. This way, you'll be the first to know about our new videos and exciting discussions. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have coming up. Thanks once again for your support, and remember to keep spreading the good vibes. Have a fantastic day ahead. We can't wait to see you back here with the Future Frame AI family.